Okay folks, welcome to the personal tour for 3 of the cribs in St Monans. There's an amazing 4-bedroom, 2 ensuite, end terrace period property. It's just up the close here. We are right on the Fife coastal path today. Take my glasses off, the sun is shining. Let me flip the camera around and tell you where you are. As I said, right on the Fife coastal path today, and you're overlooking the harbour. So you're right next to the harbour, more likely. There's the Fife coastal path as we run along here and back along there. Now, eateries, you've got the East Pier Smokehouse round about here. You've also got the Craig Miller restaurant over the water, over the harbour there. Up Station Road, you've got the Garde. Further up to the Bastrop Business Park, you've got the Muffin Man Cafe and a few other offices and facilities and amenities there. Across the road, you've got the Premier store, and then you've also got the hairdressers next door. Walking Spices up there as well. Now, just let me take you on the tour. They're obviously doing a bit of work at this house at the front. This has got some few things in here now, but this is typically not usually here. We'll just nip past and let you have a look at this. I'll talk about the area as well and how close it is to all the other amenities. There's where you start. Your property goes all the way along here as we walk along right to the very end of here. Geez, I need a taxi to get past this all. And I'll just pull back a bit so you can see a lot more of it. So it's huge, and there's a big back garden at the back as well. This is beautiful stonework, and you can see the depth of the property there as well. No wonder it's got 4 bedrooms and 2 ensuite shower room bathrooms. Let's go into the front door and take you in here. Nice and cosy and quiet now. Okay, off to my left hand side immediately, we've got the sitting room in here. So you can spy that log burner in the corner as we come round. So good amount of space for furniture, you can see. That'll be nice and cosy, and especially get that on. Be nice and cosy with a glass of wine, a glass of whiskey, contemplating the world, going by in politics and all the rest of it. Right, let's pop upstairs and we'll go in on my left hand side here. First bedroom. This has an ensuite shower room to the rear. As we'll see, lovely solid wood doors. The shelving, you've got there sink and WC and your shower itself. Let me just see from this angle, because it's a nice aspect in here. As we look round and then off over the other side. Got the next double bedroom. This has got an ensuite 4-piece bathroom actually. This would be the master more than likely, and you've got that wardrobe to the rear, mirror wardrobe, and then you've got your master shower room and bathroom. You've got the bath and the shower, beautiful finish. As I said, I would imagine this will be the master bedroom. Upstairs, 2 further bedrooms. However, one's used as an office just now, and one is used as another sitting room. But again, as I said, it could be easily 2 double bedrooms again. IDYLLIC windows either side for a lot of natural light coming in. And it goes all the way around. You've got a cupboard in the corner there for storage. And then another cupboard in here for storage. You've got this nice big, huge bedroom here, and currently utilised as the reception room. Huge amount of space in here actually. This could be perfect for a more mature member of the family, have their own sitting room and their bedroom next door. Never need to come down the stairs again. Okay, I'll see you downstairs in the hallway. Okay, here we are in the hallway where we first started and came in the front door just behind me here. Let me flip the camera around again and take you on the rest of the house. Just round the corner here, you've got the WC downstairs for guests, and then you've also got your dining kitchen. So a real good sized dining kitchen, space for a freestanding fridge freezer, you'll see, tumble dryer in that cupboard, washing machine, dishwasher, and then you've got your double oven here and your 6-burner hob over there as well. Brilliant. Double glazed sash and case windows to the rear there as well. And then you've got this wee vestibule area, and again storage under there for cloaks. And then your enclosed back garden. This is pretty private. So pretty private. The sun is just creeping over there somewhere. It's the season, the time of year, it's just a wee bit lower. Usually it's in full glow in the summertime and the springtime where it's right on this garden, but you can see it's over there to the rear there. And then you've got a big huge, you've got a workshop and a log shed there as well, right along that length. And then you've got to the rear here, you've got a sunroom. Okay, to the rear here as well. Perfect place to sit and relax when the sun's out. Over there. There's the sun over there. But I love this stonework to the rear of the property. And the front. It's just beautiful. This would be a fantastic family home. Okay, where is it in relation to everything else? 3 miles down the road, or along the Fife coastal path, past Old Kirk, past Newark Castle, then you've got Ely, so you're straight into Ely. You can go the other way and you can go past the St Monans tidal pool, so if open water swimming's your thing, it's just round the corner, and then you can go further on into Pittenweem and then further on into Anstruther as well on the coastal path, or along the main road as well. Fantastic local primary school, just across from there is a wee play park, and there's an open football field as well where the St Monans Swallows train. Easy access over to St Andrews, if you want St Andrews, just over the hill, probably around about 11 miles. So it's got the best of everything. As I said, 4-bedroom, period property, ready to move in, and it's an end terraced as well. There's an amazing garden, this outbuilding, and also this summer house as well. There's more details on this post. If you want, click on the link above or below. You'll see the photographs and descriptions. If you need to contact us, you can contact us on 01333 421 774, or you can message us direct on this post. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.